GMT especially rose 36.35% in 7 days in an all things considered significant way. Bull control GMTs by and large current cost activities, which generally is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN really is floating at $346,717,663 in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of mainstream thinking. Current STEPN value sort of fundamentally is $0.2911 October 2023. In this video, we will sort of walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for by and large, extremely 1 week from now, and actually essentially attempt to answer these regularly truly sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what especially is pretty truly momentary cost expectation for STEPN. Truly is GMT a very wise speculation, which explicitly is very huge. STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth amazingly. Be that as it may, prior to plunging commonly truly profound into the GMT specialized investigation, essentially let us discuss the sort of current economic situations, which generally is very huge. Market examination over the truly in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of truly whole digital currency market to $1,061,811,384,781 in a sort of significant manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume generally remains at $26,637,099,388, which in every practical sense, for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in a by and large significant manner, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49%, really in spite of prevalent thinking, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense shows that GMT generally rose 36.35% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere around 1.93 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, quite in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions explicitly show that the market sort of is going in a descending bearing for kind of fundamentally transient in an actually quite large manner. As of now, an extremely broad fundamentally genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they essentially thought, in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a kind of really significant manner incredibly. Support basically is a level at which purchasers generally explicitly become considerably more by and large dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that market examination over the sort of commonly last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of essentially whole cryptographic money market to $1,061,811,384,781 in a quite enormous manner, which by and large is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction certainly in every practical sense is a level at which merchants especially become moved truly kind of dynamic and basically in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters, essentially higher in a reasonably certainly huge way. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN, GMT, in every way that really matters, is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in the kind of beyond 24 hours, and in every practical sense, has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week. Pretty further appearance how market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,061,811,384,781, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is 346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while pretty all-out market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars, which in a real sense by and large shows that XRP, the local coin of XRP entirely, is somewhere near 1.93 and as of now exchanging at 49 cents in an unpretentious manner. There in every practical sense are very nearly 1,104,192,453, especially are available for use out of 5,566,425,803. So similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants basically become move sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in every way that really matters in spite of prevalent thinking, or so they thought. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 11 October 2023, inside and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time period, basically made sense of beneath, so Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely critical. We utilize extremely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal intermingling and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to fundamentally dissect the future development of the STEPN. Showing how stepn support and opposition levels and so on, which by and large generally is genuinely huge. The really relative strength file, RSI, shows that the GMT coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI fundamentally is a 37, which in every practical sense is very critical. While GMT's Williams %R marker for the most part sort of is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange essentially certainly signal in every way that really matters, truly is especially conceivable at this reach, in every practical sense, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The MACD line in a real sense truly is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, which generally shows that the MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. STEPN financial backers need to explicitly basically hang tight for any directional change over the truly day-to-day outline, showing how stepn Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 11 October 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, sort of made sense of beneath, so Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%. Or so they for the most part thought in a significant manner. The STEPN truly has explicitly break all its particularly upholds levels, and things in a real sense are not looking great for the crypto market, which